Alright, this is Logan Rhythm, and this is my test demo for Choicer Voicer Dubpack Editor. This is the 1.0, so there's bound to be some bugs and stuff, but it's at a point at which it's working pretty well. So you'll get this as a zip file, and you'll want to unzip it until you see it like this. Unless I did something wrong, this should include all of the imports and everything you'll need for this to work properly. So if you go ahead and double click it, it's going to run this backend on CMD. So let's go ahead and give it a name. All right. Once you give it a name and click create, you have two choices. You can either upload a file like an MP4, or you can paste a URL and it will use YTDLP to download it. So I've got this clip here of Full Metal Alchemist Brotherhood, and it will download it for me. I only want, let's see.
All of it. Maybe not all of it.
Let's do till 50 seconds. I'll paste it, and I only want the first 0 to 50 seconds of it. I'll click download. It'll start working on it. So here you have your video, you have your timeline that relates to wherever you are in the video, you have zoom feature. You also can directly control, like if you change your mind on what part of the clip you want to export, you can start it later, you can end it sooner. So let's see, I was kind of lazy on where I chose to export it. Say I want to stop it at 47. You can just move it to there, click use player head, we'll move it to 47. So let's go ahead and start giving voices to each of the characters. So first we'll start by adding Edward.
Listen, Winry.
You gotta click line, add line. This red dot controls what image is shown during your turn to voiceover.
Listen, Winry.
Okay, now there's another character speaking, so we'll add Winry. To change who's speaking, you can click between these two. So what I needed to do was click on here, and then click add line.
Well, what? Just come out and say it.
Alright, so I've changed my mind on how much I want to do for this demo, but you can see the point. So I'm going to use the tool down here to change how much I export. So now you can go ahead and add your author name, and you can add any additional credits or stuff here, and then you can also choose an icon. So I've chosen this icon, just a screenshot of the image. So now you can export it. If this was a clip that had like background music, it would automatically isolate the vocals from the background, so you'd still hear the music, which is pretty cool. I'll show an example of that in a bit. So it's running Demux vocal isolation. It can take a little bit. For this one, there wasn't much for it to do, so it didn't take very long. It's still working. Alright, so whenever it's done, you'll see that it's written to the folder. It'll be in output. So once you have this file, you can go ahead and copy it over to right here. And then you can launch your game and you'll see it. So launch the game, go into dub mode. You'll see that here. Take it here, the image, characters. So going ahead and starting it.
Listen, Winry.
Listen, Winry. Alright. Yeah, I'm not very good at this game. I'm not really a voice actor, but I wanted to support the fun concept it is with my tool to help people, create. So, keep that in mind while watching this. Listen, Winry. Well, what? Just come out and say it. Equivalent exchange, huh? I'll give half of my life to you if you give half of yours to me. Okay, and you can see there, which is pretty cool, whenever he moved with his jacket, it kept the jacket noise, and got rid of everything else with his voice and such. So I'm going to go ahead and show a scene that has more difficulty for Demux, but it still manages to do really well. It's a scene with background music. Clicking into it. I've already
It was your hard
done the
work that did this, not mine. Now, for your reward.
Dialogue. As you can see, I also used the tool here to cut off that end. Added an image. Yada yada. You can go ahead and export this pack. And it will do a great job of removing the music from the background and then splicing it in later.
It was your hard work that did this, not mine.
It was your hard work that did this, not mine.
Now, for your reward, Izuku Midoriya.
Now, for your reward, Izuku Midoriya.
Someone told me this once. There's a difference between being lucky and deserving. One's an accident, the other a reward. Never get the two confused.
Oh, I missed a spot while captioning. Oh well. Someone told me this once. There's a difference between being lucky and deserving. One's a something and something or other. I don't know. Never get the two confused. Yeah, I forgot what it says there, but it's okay.
Take that to heart, young man.
Take that to heart, young man.
This gift, you earned it with your own valiant efforts.
This gift, you earned it with your own valiant efforts.
Eat this.
Eat this.
Yes, sir!
Yes, sir.
And so, I held out my weak, quirkless hands and grabbed the future.
And so, I held out my weak, quirkless hands and grabbed the future.
Huh?
Huh? Okay, so, as you can see, I'm not very good at voice acting. This was just a test, mostly. But you can go ahead and hear. It's gonna do a great job at separating the background audio from the voice audio. It was your hard work that did this, not mine. Now, for your reward, Izuku Midoriya. Yes, sir. Someone told me this once. There's a difference between being lucky and deserving. One's a something and something or other, I don't know. Never get the two confused. Take that to heart, young man. This gift, you earned it with your own valiant efforts. And so, I held out my weak, quirkless hands and grabbed the future. Eat this! Huh? There you go. So, that's pretty much all there is to this. If you find this tool helpful, there's a Ko-Fi if you want to support me. You have no obligation to do so. I just wanted to support this project because I think it's really cool. I just think that the current method of making voice packs was a little tedious. So I wanted to see if there's a way to speed up that process because I'd really like to see this game take off. So yeah, thank you for watching.